Alright, so earlier as I woke up, saw these trains out the window. Got some RDC Dome right here. Got some wrapped up ones. We got Superliners down there, or just something from Amtrak. We got maintenance equipment in a box car down there, or two box cars. And now we got some more maintenance we just got some maintenance equipment over there by the mountains. And we have some more stuff. We have two box cars, and it looks like maybe another RDC Dome car, but it looks like a passenger coach. And another video of the RDC Dome.